购物，购物，购物。
Buy thing. Shopping.
Buy thing. Shopping.
现在，很多人都喜欢在网上购物，因为商品的价格更便宜。现在，很多人都喜欢在网上购物，因为商品的价格更便宜。现在，很多人都喜欢在网上购物，因为商品的价格更便宜。
Nowadays, many people like to shop online because goods are cheaper.
Nowadays, many people like to shop online because goods are cheaper.
网上购物已成为现代生活的一部分。网上购物已成为现代生活的一部分。网上购物已成为现代生活的一部分。
Online shopping has become a part of modern life.
Online shopping has become a part of modern life.
我家附近有一个购物中心。我家附近有一个购物中心。我家附近有一个购物中心。
There is a shopping mall near my home.
There is a shopping mall near my home.
每个星期六我都去商场购物。每个星期六我都去商场购物。每个星期六我都去商场购物。
Every Saturday I go to the mall for shopping.
Every Saturday I go to the mall for shopping.
尤其，尤其，尤其。
Especially.
Especially.
他喜欢吃水果，尤其是葡萄。他喜欢吃水果，尤其是葡萄。他喜欢吃水果，尤其是葡萄。
He likes to eat fruits, especially grapes.
He likes to eat fruits, especially grapes.
他的成绩很好，尤其是数学。他的成绩很好，尤其是数学。他的成绩很好，尤其是数学。
Her grades are very good, especially in math.
Her grades are very good, especially in math.
秋天是去旅游最好的季节，尤其是10月。秋天是去旅游最好的季节，尤其是10月。秋天是去旅游最好的季节，尤其是10月。
Autumn is the best season to travel, especially October.
Autumn is the best season to travel, especially October.
网上购物已成为人们的最爱，尤其是年轻人。网上购物已成为人们的最爱，尤其是年轻人。网上购物已成为人们的最爱，尤其是年轻人。
Online shopping has become people's favorite, especially young people.
Online shopping has become people's favorite, especially young people.
收到，收到，收到。
Receive. Suffer.
Receive. Suffer.
轻音乐受到年轻人的喜爱。轻音乐受到年轻人的喜爱。轻音乐受到年轻人的喜爱。
Light music is loved by young people.
Light music is loved by young people.
父母经常吵架，孩子会受到不良的影响。父母经常吵架，孩子会受到不良的影响。父母经常吵架，孩子会受到不良的影响。
If parents often quarrel, the children will be adversely affected.
If parents often quarrel, the children will be adversely affected.
这款手机自推出以来，就受到了广泛欢迎。这款手机自推出以来，就受到了广泛欢迎。这款手机自推出以来，就受到了广泛欢迎。
The phone has gained huge popularity since its launch.
The phone has gained huge popularity since its launch.
任何，任何，任何。
Whatever. Any.
Whatever. Any.
如果您有任何疑问，请联系我们。如果您有任何疑问，请联系我们。如果您有任何疑问，请联系我们。
If you have any doubts, please contact us.
If you have any doubts, please contact us.
你可以在任何时候拿起手机上网查询信息。你可以在任何时候拿起手机上网查询信息。你可以在任何时候拿起手机上网查询信息。
You can pick up your cell phone to check information online at any time.
You can pick up your cell phone to check information online at any time.
不要轻易相信任何人。不要轻易相信任何人。不要轻易相信任何人。
Don't trust anyone easily.
Don't trust anyone easily.
我们可以在任何时间上网购买自己喜欢的东西。我们可以在任何时间上网购买自己喜欢的东西。我们可以在任何时间上网购买自己喜欢的东西。
We can buy what we like online at any time.
We can buy what we like online at any time.
寄，寄，寄。
Send.
Send.
网上购物非常方便，商家会把你买的东西寄到你家。网上购物非常方便，商家会把你买的东西寄到你家。网上购物非常方便，商家会把你买的东西寄到你家。
Online shopping is very convenient, and merchants will send your purchases to your home.
Online shopping is very convenient, and merchants will send your purchases to your home.
你把你的地址写给我，我会把物品寄到你家。你把你的地址写给我，我会把物品寄到你家。你把你的地址写给我，我会把物品寄到你家。
You write me your address and I will send the items to your home.
You write me your address and I will send the items to your home.
我已经把那份文件寄出去了。我已经把那份文件寄出去了。我已经把那份文件寄出去了。
I've already sent that document.
I've already sent that document.
谢谢观看。